Hi, I'm Lee and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks regarding the software to help you get to where you need to be. Today we're going to jump into Avontus Designer and want to show you how to change your X and Y position of your building objects to create whatever you need to do. Let's get started. Drag on the part you want to alter. So for this one I'm just going to use a ladder beam, what I created previously. So these are all individual parts grouped together, and this can only work on grouped items. So for instance, if I was to bring on a tube, if I click on the part, I've got this reference point, this dialog box that I can fill out, change the rotation if I need to, the start and the end elevation. But for the beam, because it's multiple parts, I'll need to go into building objects. And then in here will be the same dialog box, but I'll have this extra part here. And this is the X and Y rotation. So for instance, if I was change the X, this to 14 degrees, click OK, and now back into my model view. If I go on the side view, you can see it's put the beams on a slight angle, changing that rotation. If I was change the angle for a roofing scaffold, I would simply click back into building objects, change me X back to 0, into my Y position, change it to the angle I need, click OK, back into my model view, and now you can see if I go from the side, the rotation is created. For a better understanding, what I could do is drag in two beams, place them together. I can group these beams together now. Right click on them, group parts together. Now when I go into building objects, and I do the exact same thing as what I did previously, Y rotation, change this to 30, click OK. Now when I go into model view, and that'll give you the direct angle for each beam at the perfect height of what you need. I hope this helps, and if you do like these videos, please stay tuned for more to come.